In this video we're going to be installing the Outfitter Design Air Compressor plate. This is pretty much how it comes out of the box. First thing you want to do is make sure that is tight on that 6mm bolt. Another thing you want to make sure is that you have the smaller of the style air boxes that has the flat air filter in it, not the round conical one, because the round conical one protrudes into the space too much and the pump won't fit. So another thing that we've already done here is this spacer here captures the factory bolt that holds the air box down to the body. So you need to remove that and just press the bolt, the factory bolt, out of that sleeve. It's pretty easy, it comes out pretty easy, and then reinstall that sleeve. So the next thing is to make sure that you have the large spacer on the 8mm bolt, and again that bolt is tight on that spacer, and the 8mm bolt goes in that hole, and the 6mm bolt goes in that hole. Before you install the plate, you want to make sure you have one of these stainless washers on the top of that hole, just like that. Once that's sitting in there, just tighten down this 8mm bolt. If you have an alpha, you want to make sure that the plate is as far away as you can get it from that AC line right there. After you got that tight, you can come down to the fender, and all you need to do is take a couple clips out of the fender liner so you can drop it, and you can see the 6mm bolt coming down there. So you just take the second stainless washer, make sure it's aligned. It only goes in one way, and put the stainless nylock nut on the 6mm bolt, and then go ahead and tighten that down. Then from there, the air compressor comes down, and you use the included bolts and mount it to the plate where the rivet nuts are. And if you have an alpha, you can protect your AC line with the included rubber hose on the edge of the pump there. Sometimes that line isn't very close, you won't need that. Sometimes they're a little closer and you'll need that extra protection. Once it's mounted, the wiring and the air hookup is completely up to you. We grounded it out to the grounding bolt right behind the compressor. It's a pretty convenient spot. And then we run power from a switch, a relay and a switch inside at the dash. But that would be a good spot to put a quick connect if you wanted to put it there. Otherwise you put it wherever you want it.